Hey guys, in this video I am showing you how to list all the Python packages installed using pip. Okay, so I am inside a virtual environment already, so I will type the command pip list. Okay, now you can see the pip list command has listed all the Python packages installed within our virtual environment. Okay, and other thing is if we want to save all these packages with the version names into a text file example, so I will type the command pip list greater than symbol and packages, any file name, packages.txt. Okay, .txt for text file extension is it is. Press enter. Now you see here we have a text file and it is showing all the packages and their versions. Okay, thank you.